Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find tutorials in Invoice Bookipi. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your right corner and press on the more section there. After that you can just scroll down here and press on watch tutorials. And after that you can just find different kind of tutorials here, and you can just simply press on the tutorial that interests you and you will be able to watch it. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.